Uh, Welcome to our today's class. I'm Mwalo Maxwell, the founder of Blue Leaf Network. So today I wanted us to talk about the introduction of marketing, so digital marketing per se, because you realize that we are heading somewhere that digital marketing will be a key ingredient when it comes to success of a business. And it would really be nice if companies could really embrace this type of marketing and they combine it with the analog or the previous type of marketing that we had. And this is something that has been existent, but with exponential rate of change in technology, it also changes. So it is something that will change over time. And in Blue Leaf, we really make sure that we look at the trends that are available in the market now and to incorporate them in our system to make sure that our customers really get the best of what the world is available and the world can offer. So, what is digital marketing? This is the promotion of product or brand by one or more forms of electronic media that is promoting through internet, email, mobile, radio, Google search engine, marketing, etc. So, that is just a brief definition of marketing. It is interactive marketing of product services using digital technology to reach customer on time and retain them. Mark that one. Reach customers and retain them. Because we are marketing your product to make sure that leads to a conversion rate. And if you are a marketing guru, there is marketing sales funnel, and when they reach at the end of the funnel, they are supposed to be there for for a while. And I think this is the most accessible type of marketing so far, and it is not only accessible but also the cheapest form of marketing. You imagine we have Facebook, we have all the platform that we might want to use for this type of marketing. We have various methods of marketing. We have search engine optimization. This is paid. Search engine marketing, sorry. This is paid. And then we have search engine optimization non-paid, but search engine optimization can be paid. And then we have social media marketing, also known as SMM. And then we have video marketing, YouTube, Facebook, and the rest. And then we have email marketing. Yeah, then we got the tools, tools or and platforms for digital marketing. So we have analytics. This one can be done with the Google Analytics, and this is the first thing you do to research. You have to understand the keywords that are available in the market so far, and that one you're supposed to incorporate it with with your system. You have to understand what your customers want. This is one of them, analytics. You have to do a research. As much as this is marketing, you really have to understand what is in the market and what is needed at a particular time. Then we have email marketing software, and this is one of the best marketing strategy that is available, platform that is available. Email marketing, and I know with time we'll talk about each type of marketing, but today this one is a soft platform and also a type of marketing. Then we have payment gateway, Paytm, phone, and etc. This is another type of marketing. And then we have internet, where I know each and every person here is. And then we have online tools, then email marketing, Gmail, etc. And then we have social media marketing, Facebook, Twitter, and the rest. This is the part that we pay ads and etc. And then we have video marketing. This is, can be done YouTube ads and the rest. Then we have social search engine marketing, that is SEM. And then we have affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is have you ever, I know most of you have been in this kind of business that are available, that when somebody signs you up, you sign other people on under you. So it is not the company going to look for people, but I look for somebody and then you look for somebody, but in the process I benefit and you also benefit. So it is somebody promoting a brand without any affiliation to that brand. You just sign up and you're given a code, and you share and people join, and that is how uh, it is done. And then we have offline marketing, we have television, we have radio, and then we have electronic boards. I think this one most of you know. And then features of digital marketing measures the advertisement performance. Remember previously I talked about analytics. And really, after posting something, you really need to understand the conversion rate of what you posted. And this could be a very best option for you to, check of really what you've really, talked about. And then quick response. Uh, Online marketing, you can post something for a minute. Let me talk about for Facebook. Uh, Imagine of a political figure that let me say for example Biden, and they just post something, maybe wanted to get your feedback on something, then they post. Imagine within the next few minutes how many comments will be there. A thousands, it will be a thousands or 100, to be, and it would be people giving their views on what President Biden asked for. So it is one of the quickest way to get your response rather than forming questionnaires, sending them away and then telling people to fill. This is a hectic process. Then we have, it is one of the convenient method of marketing. One, it is environmental friendly. You don't have to print banners and the rest that you place them somewhere and then at the end. It is convenient. Then it is pocket friendly. Imagine just having a Photoshop designing something and then posting it and waiting for conversion. When it is wow, it will sell. And then the latest practice in digital marketing. Then we have artificial intelligence and machine learning. So as I said, that we are the world is growing exponentially, and really as a digital marketing agency Blueleaf, we also are growing towards that field. And artificial intelligence is not an exception to the future world. And as we say, the future is tech. So we are also trying to, like I'll talk about this and maybe incorporate into our system. And then Internet of Things. As I said, the future everything is internet, and we have to understand all these things. Then we have video ads, we have content advertising, then we have location-based marketing technology. This is mostly done through Facebook and the rest. They can locate where you are, locate your target audience, and then sell your product based on what you've shared. And then consumer engagement, this can be done in all of them. And then we have big data where you collect data and you sell to them really what you according to their preferences. Then we have virtual reality, and this is where our world is going. And I can imagine a future where people will just be sitting somewhere and then they take their virtual reality uh, headset and they just sit somewhere and story. So in this virtual reality, we'll need to have ads also, or we'll need to have banners when somebody sits in a restaurant. They can see something in that virtual reality that is there. So these are just new things in marketing that I know is going to be incorporated. And yeah, we'll try our best when in case something comes up, we'll make sure that we do our best. And then we have the 10 C's of digital marketing. And what are these? Customer is always king. That is the first thing you should know. The customer will always be at the center of everything. And as I say, your customer is your employer, and they should be treated with respect and dignity. And this is my 10 C's of digital marketing. First, we have corporate culture. You as individual, you when promoting something online, you really promoting your corporate culture. Nobody will come and tell you that you're supposed to do it this way while you guys don't literally do it that way. And then we have convenience. As I said, this is pocket friendly, on time, you can do it anywhere with just a phone or a laptop. You just need internet. And then competition. This is where competition is so stiff. And I would tell you that when it comes to graphic design also, your post should be one of the best one in there. And then it communicates to your customers, you know, uh, and it should be clear and concise, precise, I mean. So it should also be consistent, it should be content, and then customization, and then coordination, and you can also control it. And then this is a theory that was developed some times back, in 2006 actually. This is called ADAS theory. uh, the DAS theory of selling is one of the widest known theory and the basic for training materials across numerous organizations. It does stand for attention, interest, desire, action, and satisfaction. The ADAS theory simply states that a prospect goes through 5 different stages before finally responding satisfactorily to our product. And this is from a marketing perspective, I will call it sales funnel. You know, they will really, you will need to catch their attention. That is the first thing with your post. Second, they will develop an interest to know more. That is after you have attracted their attention. They would want to know more. They will get interested. And then after that, if they learn something, they will get that urge, the desire to get really what is this guy selling, you know, and why him and not the others. And then they will really want to buy. You know, that is the action, they act, they buy the product. And then if the product is wow, it is the point of satisfaction, and the process will not start again, but it will start from the point of action the next time. I think in the next diagram you'll see it all. So this is the first step. You know, they attracted to the attention of the visitor with the appealing design and the, you know, and intuitive copy. And then they develop interest, and then they create a desire for the product, and then they act. That one means they buy, and then they create amazing user experience. That is after really they bought what you sold to them. Another theory that the other model that we have, RAIN model, that developed 2006, which stand for engage, reach, engage, activate, nature. It was first coined by Xavier Blanc in 2006. It helps us plan ahead and analyze the complex marketing activities that are needed to build and nurture customer relationship. REAN stand for R, which is reach, marketing activity needed to raise awareness of a brand product or services, offline and online, from SEO to TVs. You know, you have to know your customers before reaching to them. So first thing you should know your customers, and then reach out to them either online or digital. Understand? But now I'm talking about online or the digital marketing. So this is, you're supposed to reach them digital, and from the ADAS theory that I've talked about, you need to attract their attention, you know, and post something that they can really love, and then engage. This is through your post, through your content, through everything that you'll do. You know, they are supposed to get something out of really what you're posting. That is, you know, answering their text, doing 1 2 3. And when it comes to online comments, you make sure you are in instant communication, and then you measure what they really want, and you know, everything. And then activate. So this is the action. You know, after you've done 1 2 3, you will need to activate their mindset and really to take action. You know, you want them to take action, and from the previous things that we talked about. And then nurture. You know, bring them up. You know, really understand what they want, and make sure you give them what really they want that is satisfactory. Don't just give because everybody's giving. You understand? Make sure that what you are offering is quality in the market. I think that one is wow. And then we go web analytic, we reach, you know, research rich sources. The methods you use to attract customer to your value proposition include awareness, and then we have engage, and that is from the previous post that I've previous slides that I have talked about. And then benefits of digital marketing, we have recession proof. This is, you are capable of seeing if really is it making sense, is it leading to conversion, should I stop? So yeah, it's economical. This is, as I said, pocket friendly. It refinement of your strategy. This is what you really strategize, is what you post out there. And then brand development. It can be a good brand development strategy. Uh, then real-time result. You can go online and get real-time result from what you've sold. And then simple to measure. You don't need mathematics to understand this. And then you easily accessible. Facebook, any other app is free of charge. And then quick and easy modification. You can change anything anytime when something goes wrong. This one is contradictory to that other marketing. When let me say, for example, you posted, you placed a banner somewhere, it will be so difficult to do create a change, and if it does, it will be costly. And then can be measured through the various different lights and Google AdWords and Google Analytics that can really do this for you. And then great engagement. Depend with the content that you have outside there. This could be one of the greatest engagement that you can have. And then we have challenges and opportunities of digital marketing. Opportunities, you have to understand your customers, effective retargeting solution, and then automation and AI. And then we have live streaming, online earning. And then we have online reputation management, local SEO, local listing, social media engagement, understanding the audience needs. So thank you so much for